Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Group 22. We'll be presenting about our final exam project for the English lecture with the title Perceptions of Self and Others, the Social Ramifications of Gender Stereotypes. Before we start, let me introduce our group. They are myself, Alana Visa, as the moderator and the speaker, and also Andi Revi Febrian as the speaker. Here are the table contents. First, we're going to talk about the abstract, introduction, result and finding, and last, the conclusion. Abstract. This paper aims to investigate the social ramifications of gender stereotypes on perception of self and others. Through this research, we can better understand how gender stereotypes shape social dynamics, affect interpersonal relationships, and create inequalities that can limit individual development. The methodology used in this study is a literature review. Data was collected through digital and manual methods, then analyzed using content analysis to create new concepts of the topic about social ramifications of gender stereotypes. The keywords in this article journal are gender, stereotypes, and social ramifications. Introduction. In our increasingly complex society, gender stereotypes have become an integral part of how we perceive ourselves and others. These stereotypes can impact not only how individuals perceive themselves, but also how other people perceive them. Such perceptions create a social framework that influences interpersonal dynamics, career opportunities, and everyday life. Gender stereotypes can create images of how men and women should behave and look and pursue their life goals. This paper aims to investigate the impact of gender stereotypes on perceptions of self and others. Through this research, we can better understand how gender stereotypes shape social dynamics, affect interpersonal relationships, and inequalities that can limit individual development. By better understanding the social consequences of gender stereotypes, we can identify steps that can be taken to promote gender equality, encourage appreciation of diversity, and create an environment that supports positive development for all individuals. By focusing on perception of self and others, this research can make a real contribution to our understanding of how gender stereotypes shape our social reality, as well as the open door for innovative thinking on how to create a more inclusive and just society. Next, the methodology. This research used a literature review, which involves collecting data from various sources such as journals, books, and other literature. The data was collected through digital and manual methods. Then we analyzed using content analysis to create new concepts of the topic. This research focused on understanding the concept and meaning of gender stereotypes and finding out the ramifications of gender stereotypes in the social environment. In addition, this research also discussed how gender stereotypes can affect an individual and others. Gender stereotypes can affect how a person is judged based on their gender, impact an individual's self-esteem and behavior. Next,
Result. Okay.
yes.
Result and finding. The effect on self-perceptions. Gender stereotypes affect how people see themselves and how they see other. These stereotypes can make people feel like they have to act or look a certain way just because of their gender. Gender stereotypes can affect how an individual feels about themselves and how they get along with other. For example, girls may feel they are not as good as boys because of what people say should be. This can make them feel as confident and happy, making it difficult to get along and fit in socially. Gender stereotype can limit the kind of work people think they can do, make them worry about how they look, and make them feel like they have to act a certain way. The effect on perception of other gender stereotypes can really affect how people see each other in society. This means that people might have certain idea about how boys and girls should act or what job they should have. This idea can make it hard for someone to be seen as who they really are because they might be judged based on this stereotype instead. Sometimes people put other into group based in stereotype or idea they have about what certain people are like. This can make them think that people can only do certain things or like certain things because of their gender. This also make people judge other with really knowing them. Because of stereotype gender, people feel like they have to act or look a certain way to fit in with other. This this can make it hard for people who don't fit those ex, ex, expectation to be accepted by society. They maybe treat differently and have a harder time making friends or being included in social group. Next, conclusion. Conclusion. Next. Next. Yeah, next. The conclusion drawn from the provided document and the search result is that gender stereotype has significant social ramification affecting individuals' self-perceptions, interpersonal relationships, career choice, and overall life satisfaction. Satisfaction. Gender stereotype create a social framework that influence in interpersonal dynamic, career opportunity, and everyday life. They can lead to social pressure, discrimination, and barrier in achieving one's full potential. Gender stereotype also affect how individuals are judged based on their gender and impact their self-esteem and behavior. Furthermore, gender stereotype can limit the opportunity, choice, and self-acceptance of individuals, leading to inequalities and perpetuate perpe, perpetuating itulah tahu discrimination. Challenging and breaking down gender stereotype is important for promoting gender equality and creating a more inclusive society. Gender stereotypes are harmful when they limit individuals' capacity to develop their personal abilities, pursue their professional career, or make choice about their life. Gender stereotype affect girls around the world, regardless of their country's level of development, and have detrimental consequence for girls from a very early age, reducing their aspiration and self-esteem. Despite the provision of equal opportunities in workplace, gender stereotyping persists and continues to impact women career progression. The inclusion is that gender stereotype have a reaching implication and that efforts to challenge and break down their stereotypes are essential for promoting gender equality and creating a more inclusive society. Thank you very much. Okay,
Thank you
Aula.
very much for listening. That's all from our group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.